Thank you. And as a reminder, tomorrow we'll be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi simultaneously, so please be aware of that. Thank you.
We're going to do a bhajan first. Kirtan करेंगे पहले, and then we will do Shama Sham Geet. Page 147. कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तू ही मेरी साची महतारी, तू है काहे श्रुति महत्यारी।
तू ही मेरी साची महतारी, तूने कहा श्रुति मह प्यारी।
तूने कहा श्रुति महाप्यारी।
तूने कहा श्रुति महाप्यारी।
मेरा मेरा रोम बोले प्यारी, आंसू दे के ले ले कृपा प्यारी।
मेरा मेरा रोम बोले प्यारी, आंसू दे के ले ले कृपा प्यारी।
कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तेरा मन है कृपा का प्यारी, तेरा तन है कृपा का प्यारी।
तेरा मन है कृपा का प्यारी, तेरा तन है कृपा का प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा तो कृपा है प्यारी, तेरा कोप भी कृपा है प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा भी कृपा है प्यारी।
ओ कृपा कर, कृपा
हो।
कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तेरी कृपा चाह बनवारी, तेरी कृपा की है बलिहारी।
तेरी कृपा चाह बनवारी, तेरी कृपा की है बलिहारी।
कृपा पर कृपा
जय
करे
हो।
प्यारी, ऐसी कृपा पर वारी वारी।
कृपा पर कृपा कर प्यारी, ऐसी कृपा पर वारी वारी।
ओ कृपा कर,
राधे।
कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
जा पर टुक कृपा करे प्यारी, वाके पाछे डोले बनवारी।
जा पे टूक कृपा करे प्यारी, वाके पाछे डोले बनवारी।
सुनी कृपा का बिरद प्यारी, तेरे द्वार भीर भारी प्यारी।
सुनी कृपा का विरद प्यारी, तेरे द्वार भीड़ भारी प्यारी।
ओ कृपा कर, कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा का बना दे अधिकारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
को हो या ना हो अधिकारी, सब पर कृपा करे प्यारी।
कृपा का बना दे अधिकारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी। कृपा का बना दे अधिकारी,
तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
ओ कृपा कर,
राधे।
कृपा कर बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिय प्यारी बनी गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिय प्यारी बनी गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिय प्यारी बनी गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिय प्यारी बनी गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
हो कृपा कर
राधे
कृपा कर बरसाने वारी। तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी। तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
बोले रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की।
जय।
प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरु पापात्मना त्राता श्रीकृष्णस् त्वमलात्मना बरहापीडं नटवरवपु कर्णयो कर्णिकारं बिभ्रद्वासः कनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च मालां रन्ध्रान्वेनु रधरसुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्दै वृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद्गीतकीर्ति नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ध्वं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। पहले सभी भक्तों को राधे राधे और मेरा प्रणाम। There has been only 5 original Jagat Guru, Mool Jagat Guru. When someone goes before a body of the greatest spiritual minds, scholars in India, and his knowledge is greater than all combined, there's a Shastrat discussion, debate on the scriptures between that body and that personality, that entity. And if it is discovered that his knowledge is greater than all of theirs combined, they would bestow upon him the title of Jagat Guru, teacher of the entire universe, Guru of the entire universe. Shri Krishna is also called Jagat Guru. So there were, in our history, only 5 such entities. First, there was Adi Jagat Guru Shankaracharya. Adi, he was the first one, original. After him came Jagat Guru Nimbarkacharya. Then came Jagat Guru Ramanujacharya. Then Jagat Guru Madhavacharya. And most recently, Jagat Guru Tam, Sri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu. Amongst the 5, he is told to be the most superior. As in English, we have good, better, best. In Sanskrit also, Jagat Guru, then Jagat Guru Tar, better, Jagat Guru Tam, the best. This title was bestowed upon him by the Kashi Vidvat Parishad, which comprised of a body of more than 500 of the greatest spiritual minds in India at that time. Many titles were bestowed upon him. And this is the only instance that there was no Shastart, there was no debate. They question among themselves, seeing the divinity of Kripaluji Maharaj. The question came amongst themselves, who is going to have this Shastar, this debate? We have called him here. So the reply came, to have a debate with someone, he has to be a worldly person like ourselves. Then we can have a debate. But this is a divine entity. It's impossible for us to have debate with him. So they decided to bestow the title upon him without any debate, first time in history. Bhakti Yoga Rasa Avatar, another very important title that was bestowed. The descension of the nectar of bliss. And divine love combined. Descension of Radha Krishna. They bestowed such a title upon him. Nikhila Darshan Samanvaya Acharya, another very important title. Many, I just given a couple of them. That all the previous Jagat Gurus, there was contradictions and controversy in their philosophy. They contradicted each other. Besides, every scripture contradicts each other. In one scripture itself, there's so much controversy and contradictions. Seemingly, he removed and resolved all these controversies, removed the contradictions, and resolved it, all the controversies. So he was given the title of Nikhil Darshan Samanvayacharya also, many such titles. This great entity lived in our midst. He appeared in this world in the year 1922, on the night of Sharad Purnima, the full moon night of the month of Sharad. The same night that Bhagwan Krishna performed Maharas with the gopis. Until the year 2013, in the month of November, he brought an end to his divine pastime in this material world. Still exist in the world. Divine entities, when they bring an end to their divine pastime and return to the divine abode, doesn't mean that they're no longer in the world with us. They have just brought an end to that divine pastime that they descended to perform. Whichever aspiring soul accepts him as a guru in their heart, as a guide, and follows the instructions, his instructions, still benefits. Even those who have never met him are benefiting. This is proof enough that he's still in our heart, he's still in our midst. This great entity, whom we call Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, wrote many, many books. Prem Siddhant, Braj Ras Madhuri, Prem Ras Madira, Bhakti Shatak, Yugal Shatak, Yugal Ras, many, many books. One of them, Shama Sham Geet, 1008 beautiful couplets, divine couplets. All the philosophy of the Vedas and all the divine scriptures, Gita, Bhagavad, Mahapuran, Mahabharata, Ramayana, every scripture has been put into these verses, plus some very beautiful, intimate pastimes of Sri Radha Krishna and the gopis have also been given in this most beautiful book called Shama Sham Geet. During these few days, we are going to explore some of these verses. We cannot obviously do 1008, but we're going to explore some of them. We get a taste of what this great saint has left us. He's left us many wonderful treasures. Really, really wonderful treasures, priceless treasures. And this is one of them. So during these few days, we're going to explore a few of these wonderful verses from this book, Shama Sham Geet. I have given you copies so we can all follow. And we can get the benefit. I'll explain briefly as we go along. Not in too much of great detail, so we can do as many verses as possible. Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gauro ke Roop Dhyan युक्त आठो यामा श्यामा
श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा
गौरों के रूप ध्यान
युक्त आठो यामा
श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा गौरों के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा
श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा गौरों के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा
मन मानि तजु भज श्याम अरु श्यामा।
मन मानि तजु भज श्याम अरु श्यामा।
मन मानि तजु भज श्याम अरु श्यामा।
मन मानि तजु भज
श्याम अरु
श्यामा।
जाने कब तनु
जय हो।
छीन जाए कह बामा।
जाने कब तनु छिन जाए कह बामा।
हो जाने कब तनु छिन जाए कह बामा।
जाने कब तनु छिन जाए कह बामा।
हो श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा। गाओ रो के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा।
श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा। गाओ रो के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा।
बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। अब पहले पंक्ति, the first line is the one we're going to be chorus in all the time. It's very beautiful, the first line. Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama. भगवान has 6 things, 6 तत्व चीजें उनके पास है। ये 6 things, नेम, नाम, रूप, लीला, गुण, धाम, संत। 6 things he has. Naam, the names of Radha, Krishna, name of God, uncountable. Anant hai, Anant Naam. Anant Naam Rupa. The Veda says God has uncountable names, uncountable forms. So, Naam, Roop, the forms of Bhagwan. उनके हर चीज अनंत है. Everything that God has is infinite. Anant is one of his name is also Anant. Anant means जो लिमिटेड नहीं है, जिसकी सीमा नहीं है. That which is unlimited, infinite, is called Anant. Anant Naam Rupaya Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Anantaschatma Vishwarupo Hyakarta. Many Ved mantras referring to God as Anant, Radha Krishna. If someone will say, okay, Shri Krishna is supreme Brahm, supreme power, why Radha Rani is being mentioned here? And also there's a doubt about who is Shri Krishna. Many people think that Shri Krishna is a descension of Mahavishnu. As we read in the scriptures, that those who have heard Bhagavad Mahapuran, etc., that Mahavishnu was Brahma, Shiva, and all the devatas. They went to Kshir Sagar. The ocean of, divine ocean of milk, where Mahavishnu resides. And Bhagwan told them, I will come. And so he descended as Shri Krishna. So it is in the heart, many people think that Shri Krishna is a descension of Mahavishnu. Thodi si, let's look at it a little bit. The highest authority in Sanatan Dharma are the Vedas. In the Vedas, there comes a very beautiful rendition. Kaha paramo devaha. Kaha paramo deva. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, second mantra. Who is that supreme power, the supreme Dev, above whom there is none? Kuto bhayaha. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, second mantra. Who is that one that even death, Kal, Yamraj, the god of death, is afraid? कामते हैं उनके सामने. Kasya jnanena. Who is that one by knowing him all knowledge automatically comes? Gopal Tapani Upanishad, second mantra. For the answer, the Vedas itself says, Krishno havai paramam daivatam. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. Shri Krishna is a supreme power, supreme Brahma. Above him there is none. Govindan mrityur vibheti. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. Shri Krishna is such a terror. The death, Yamraj trembles with fear in front of him. Gopi jana vallabha jnanina khilam tad jnatam bhavati. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. And by knowing that Sri Krishna, the beloved of the gopis, all knowledge automatically comes. So, according to Vedas, Sri Krishna is supreme Brahm, supreme power. Vedavyasji, who wrote Bhagavad Mahapuran, all the Puranas, who put the Vedas in book form, who is a descendant of Sri Krishna himself, he says, Yasyaika nishwasita kalamathavalambya jivanti loma vilja jagadandanatha Vishnur mahansa iha yasya kala vishesho govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. Brahma Samhita, chapter 5, verse 48. Vedavyasji is saying, I am a worshipper of that Sri Krishna, Govind, that Sri Krishna, whose partial manifestation is known as Mahavishnu. Vedavyas is saying. So Sri Krishna is supreme power, supreme Brahma. Who is Radharani? Atma tu Radhika tasya. The Vedas say Radharani is the Atma, the soul of Sri Krishna. Atma. To describe Radharani, the Vedas says, Rigved, Krishnena aradhyate iti Radha. Rigvedi Radhiko Upanishad. I just told you Sri Krishna is supreme power, supreme Brahm. That supreme Brahm, supreme power Sri Krishna, whom Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everyone worships. He also worships someone. Sri Krishna worships someone? He worships Radharani. Because Radharani is his soul, Atma. Again the Veda says, Yeyam Radha Yasha Krishna Sabiddehas Chaikah Krinata Dvidha Bhut. Atharva Vedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad. The Vedas say there is no question of Radha and Krishna being two. Inka do sharir bhi nahi. They don't even have two bodies. There's only one body, ek sharir, one supreme power, one supreme Brahma, and that supreme power takes two forms, do roop. For Krida. Krida means Leela, divine pastimes. So Radha and Krishna one and the same. Radhika Krishna Rupam cha Krishna Radha Sarupakaha. Sanak Sankita. Sanakumar Sankita. The scripture says Radha Rani is the form of Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna is the form of Radha Rani. So they are one and the same. But they take two forms. So wherever we say Radha, we say Shri Krishna. We should not have any doubt in our mind. It means the same entity. So the name of Radha Krishna, uncountable, their forms, Roop, Leela, divine pastimes, their guna, their virtues, Naam, Rupa, Leela, Gun are infinite virtues. Dham, the divine abodes, infinite, and Bama also comes in all the verses, means saints. Infinite. Each of these resides in each other. सब में रहते हैं. All have the same power. Any one of these six we can hold, we can take hold of and go to Sri Krishna. All have the same power. So whether we sing the name, we meditate on the form, we sing the virtues, we meditate on the divine pastimes, we sing about the divine abodes, we meditate on the saints, etc. And gavo roke. While shedding tears, meditating on any of these. Most important, meditating, we should do that, Ato Yam. 1 yam is equal to 3 hours. Art means 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. 24 hours a day. We should take in any one of these, meditating on any one of these, shed tears for Radha Krishna. This is the first verse. We're going to go in more detail in these things as we go along. But this is just the first verse. And this is the chorus. This is one we'll be using all the time. So this is the one we should remember by heart, by memory. This will be the chorus. The first line, the first verse after that, Manmani taju bhaj shama bhaju shama arushama jane kab tanu chin jay kahbama. So the saint is telling us, Gopi saint, the high saints of Shri Krishna are the gopis. The gopis' position is so high. Brahma, Shankar, Sanak Sanana Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, they are asking Shri Krishna to become a leaf, a grass, a creeper in Vrindavan. So when these gopis will walk, the dust of their feet will rise and bless them, come on them and bless them. So high is the position of these gopis. So the word Bama refers to the gopi saints, the highest saints. So here it says, Manamani Taju. What is the Manamani? Tajna means to give up. Manamani, our willfulness. जो मन कहते हैं वही हम करते हैं. जो ऐसे जब मन कहते हैं वही हम करेंगे. We follow our mind. The saint tells us something, the scriptures tells us something, but we think in our mind, okay, Maharaj Ji has said like this, the saint has said, Sri Krishna has said like that, but I think I should do like this. This mind of ours has been the reason for our downfall from beginningless time. Always listening to our mind. We have met saints uncountable times. We, the individual souls, are beginningless. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Chapter 2, verse 20. Just as God is beginningless, eternal, we, the individual souls, are also beginningless, unborn, eternal. So uncountable times we have gotten human birth. It means we have met saints uncountable times. But the problem is, we went, we bowed, we say, yes, you're my Guruji. We call him Guruji. We accepted him, Guruji. But like Arjun, Arjun said to Sri Krishna, Karpanya dosho pahata svabhava pruchhami tvam dharma sammurha chetah yache yasyan shitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam. Chapter 2, verse 7, Gita. Sri Krishna says, Arjun says to Sri Krishna, hey Sri Krishna, please guide me. I'm begging you to guide me. I am so bewildered. My mind is so full of confusion. I am unable to decide on the right course of action. Please guide me. I seek your guidance as your fully surrendered disciple. Shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapanna. Fully surrendered. Prapanna shishya. Yet, everywhere, but, why, no. What kind of surrender is that? This is the same kind of surrender we do. We have met a saint, he is my Guru. We say he is Guruji, we call him Guruji, and Guruji says, do so and so. But what do? We do according to what our mind says, our intellect. Usko tajo. We have to give up that. Stop listening to the mind. ये मन बिगड़ गए, अनादिकाल का बिगड़ा हुआ मन. This mind is very bad. The saint Jagat Guru Kripaluji Maharaj says, the greatest enemy of the individual soul is the mind, our own mind. No one can do us anything. Our greatest enemy is our own mind. We listen to the mind. So we have to stop listening to the mind. We have to go according to the instruction of the saint. अपने बुद्धि गुरु की बुद्धि में जोड़ दो. We have to join our intellect with the intellect of the saint. Guru. Look, God has given us a very powerful instrument called buddhi, intellect. Whatever the intellect says, the mind has to do. Has to. But the problem, our intellect has become very bad also. So we listen to the intellect and we follow and we do the wrong thing. So what should we do? We take our intellect and let it be guided by the intellect of the Guru, through Guru's instruction. Guru Agya Palan. This is the word, Agya Palan. Agya Samanusu Sahib Seva. We have to go according to the instruction of the saint, the true Guru. This is very important. The only way we can step in the spiritual path, we have to give up this willfulness. listening to our mind. So, haven't met a true saint, or according to the teachings of a true saint, we let our intellect be guided, and then that intellect now will guide our mind. And having done that, bhaju Shama Sham, worship, love Radha Krishna. Love Radha Krishna. Why? Jane kab tan chin jai. This body we have is transient, non-lasting. Kab chin jai. At which moment we can lose it, no one knows. Videha Nimi says to the 9 Yogeshwars, 9 sons of Bhagwan Rishabhdev, topmost among yogis, Yogeshwars. Videha Nimi says in Bhagavad, Durlabho manusho deho dehinam kshanabhangurah tatrapi durlabham manye vaikuntha priya darshanam. Bhagavad Mahapuran 11 Canto 2nd chapter 29 verse. First thing he says, the human body is extremely rare, difficult to attain. Durlabho manusho. Secondly, it is kshanabhangur, transient. At which moment we can lose it, nobody knows. And the third thing, to have the association of a true saint, Vaikuntha Priya Darshanam. We have to understand, yes, this body we have, this human body is very valuable. It is extremely difficult to attain, but it has a big fault, a big problem. At which moment we can lose it, nobody knows. Therefore, we should not procrastinate. Immediately do sadhana. The saint says, sadhana karu, sadhana karu, sadhana karu pyare, sadhana karu, sadhana karu, sadhana karu pyare, sadhana karu pyare. Addressing us, the individual souls, as his very dear one, pyare, very dear. He addresses us as being very dear to him. He says, oh my dear one, please do sadhana, please do sadhana, please do sadhana. He's exhorting us to do sadhana. Bhaktya sanjataya bhaktya vibhratyut pulakantanum. 11 Canto 3rd chapter 31st verse. Prabhupada Maharaj, one of the 9 Yogeshwars, and being questioned by Videha Nimi, says we have to do bhakti to get bhakti. 2 kinds of bhakti. One is sadhana bhakti, which we have to do, and one is siddha bhakti, perfect devotion, which we will attain through the grace of a rasik saint when our heart, our mind has become pure. Saint cannot do it for us. We have to do bhakti. This sadhana bhakti we have to do. Saint will give us siddha bhakti. We have to make the vessel. And that's all. But we have to do that. But we should not wait, because there is no guarantee. We continue. Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gao Roke Roop Dhyan Yukt Aatho Yama. Shama Sham
नाम
Naam
रूप लीला गुण धामा गौरों के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा.
O Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama गाओ के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा, श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा। गाओ के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा, भुक्ति मुक्ति सुख सुख बैकुंठ धामा। तजु काम अरु नाम, तजु काम एक नाम रटु श्याम श्यामा। भुक्ति मुक्ति
मुक्ति सुख सुख वैकुंठ धामा, तजु काम एक नाम रटु श्याम श्यामा।
भुक्ति मुक्ति सुख सुख बैकुंठ धामा, तजु काम एक नाम रटु श्याम श्यामा। भुक्ति
मुक्ति सुख सुख वैकुंठ धामा,
तजु काम एक नाम रटु श्याम श्यामा। श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा। गाओ के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठ यामा,
श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा। गाओ के रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा।
बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, राधा रानी की
जय।
भुक्ति मुक्ति सुख सुख बैकुंठ धामा, तजु काम एक नाम रटु श्याम श्यामा. Literally, the verse is saying we have to, again the word taju. Tajna means to give up. Give up a desire, काम. Desire for what? Bhukti, Mukti and Vaikuntha Dham. These three things we have to give up desire for. Bhukti, Mukti, Vaikuntha Dham. And Ek Naam Ratu Shama Sham. Keep chanting the name of Shama Sham with love. Give up Bhukti and Mukti. I just told you, Prabhupada Maharaj, one of the 9 Yogeshwars, said to Videha Nimi, we have to do bhakti to get bhakti. So one bhakti is called sadhana bhakti, sadhana, which we have to do. And one bhakti, siddha bhakti. That we don't do. Once we make the vessel, once the heart, the mind becomes pure, Nirmal man jan so mohi pava, mohi kapat chhal chhidra na bhava. मन क्रम वचन छारु चतुराई, भजत ही कृपा करत रघुराई. सरल स्वभाव न मन कुटिलाई, यथा लाभ संतोष सदाई. Everywhere has been telling us, Nirmala Manajan. Bhagwan Shri Ram says to Sugriv, only those who are pure in heart, pure mind, can know me, see me, attain me. I cannot tolerate deception, deceit, fraud. Man kama bachana charu chaturai. When we give up all this chaturai, this deceitfulness, words, thoughts and deeds, God will shower His grace, we will attain everything. Sarala Swabhava man kutilai. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, you want to attain bhakti? First he says, जाओ परलोक यहाँ सुख चाहूं, सुनी मम बचन हृदय दृढ़ गहूं. If you want to attain true happiness in the here and after also, the hereafter, while we are here also to attain true happiness, then listen very carefully to my words, deep in your heart. Very firmly in the heart, listen very carefully. सरल सुखद यह मार्ग भाई, भक्ति मोरी पुराण श्रुति गाई. Bhagwan Sri Ram is saying to residents of Ayodhya, the path to attaining happiness in the here and the hereafter also is called, it is extremely easy, saral, that path. And Sukhad is the giver of all happiness. That path is called Bhakti, Mori Bhakti. Bhakti, love for Him, love for God. Bhakti means prem karna, pyar, love. Satvasmin param prema rupa, Narad Bhakti Sutra, second mantra. Naradji in the Narad Bhakti Sutra defines Bhakti as the supreme and immortal love for Sri Krishna, to love God. That is Bhakti. So, one Bhakti we have to do to make the heart, the vessel. Once that vessel is made, wo patra ban gaya, Guru will give a divine love through the Swarup Shakti. But first we have to make the vessel. There's a saying in Hindi that if you put the milk of a lioness in any vessel except a golden vessel, the milk will burst. Phat jayega. Wo doodh. It will only stay in a golden vessel. So in the same way, in order that Guru is going to give us that divine love, that Siddha Bhakti, if he gives it to an undeserving soul, this body we have will be burnt into ashes. We have to make the vessel. So we have to do sadhana bhakti. That makes the mind, the heart pure. But there are conditions. So Rup Goswami says in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Anyabhilashita shunyam jnana karma dhyanavritam anukulena Krishna bhakti uttama. If we want to do bhakti, that sadhana bhakti, then besides the desire to love Sri Krishna selflessly, desire for bhakti, we have to give up all desires. Sab kamanao ko chhod do. If you want to do bhakti, that sadhana bhakti, we have to give up all desires. What is all desires? So we can call it desire for dharma, desire for arth, desire for kam, desire for moksha. These are called purusharth. Char purusharth. Desire for righteousness, desire for money, for wealth, desire for pleasure, desire for moksha, liberation. We can also classify it as sattvic desires, rajasic desires, tamasic desires, and desire for moksha, liberation. It can also be classified as desire for the material world, the objects of this material world, desire for heavenly pleasures, and desire for mukti, liberation. Desire for the material, and finally we can put it into two categories. Desire for bhukti. Bhukti means material desire for the material world, the pleasures of the material world, plus heaven combined, these two combined is called bhukti. And mukti means liberation, merging into the formless Brahman. If you want bhakti, we have to give up both bhukti as well as mukti. Again, Rup Goswami Ji Maharaj says, Bhukti mukti sprihayavat pishachi hridivartate tavat bhakti sukhasyat kathamabhyudayo bhavet. Bhakti Samit Sindhu. Bhukti and mukti, he is calling bhukti and mukti pisachini, churail, demons, witches. As long as desire for bhukti, which I told you means the world, desire for the world as well as heaven, worldly pleasures, heavenly pleasures combined, it's called bhukti. As long as desire for bhukti plus mukti is in the heart of an individual, Bhakti Mahadevi, or the goddess of divine love, will never come. We will never get bhakti. If we want bhakti, we have to give up bhukti as well as mukti. There's a long, long explanation. If I keep going on, then we wouldn't get doing much verses. So we have to give up bhukti, but why Vaikunt? So Vaikunt is also a form of mukti. The Jnani's mukti is called Sayujya mukti, Ekatva mukti. One who attains the mukti of the Jnanis, they merge into the formless Brahman, the formless aspect of Sri Krishna, as a river merges into the ocean. That's called Ekatva mukti, Sayujya mukti. But those who go to Vaikunt, who worship Mahavishnu, they also attain 4 kinds of mukti. The bhaktas also have 4 kinds of mukti. Salokya, Sarupya, Samipya, Sarshti. These are 4 mukti of those who worship Mahavishnu, the yogis. They worship that form, Char Bhuja, the one with 4 arms you've seen in pictures, Narayan. So this is also called mukti. Salokya, one attains an abode like Mahavishnu. Sarupya, he attains a form just like Mahavishnu, 4 arms. Samipya, always sitting close to the Lord. And Sarshti, have an opulence like Mahavishnu. This also a devotee does not want. If you want bhakti, you want to attain the love of the gopis, which I told you is the highest. As we go along, we will see how high it is. Then we have to give up desire for Vaikuntha also. These 4 muktis have to be given up also. A devotee desires not even the abode of Mahavishnu. The true bhakt, he wants to attain the love of Shama Sham, Radha Krishna. Only Shama Sham. So, we have to give up bhukti, mukti, the happiness of bhukti. Bhukti means worldly pleasures plus heavenly pleasures combined. There is no happiness in the world, we have heard many times. And there is no happiness in heaven also. Ishta purtam manyamana varishtham nanyachreyo vedayante pramudhaha nakasya prishtete sukhtena bhutimam lokam hitanam va vishanti. Mundak Upanishad, 1st Mundak, 2nd Kand, 10th mantra. The Vedas say, those who perform actions and desires to go to heaven, Swarg, they're not ordinary fools, but the greatest fool, Pramudha. There's nothing. Bhagwan Shri Ram says to the residents of Ayodhya, Ehi tan kar phal vishaya na bhai स्वर्गहु स्वल्प अंत दुखदाई. Hey, he says, this human body which is so valuable, Devatas are praying for it. Wasn't given to you to just enjoy the senses, sensual pleasures, Vishayana bhai, nor was it given to go to heaven. Why? Swargahu swalp. Swalp means non-existent. There is no true happiness there. And the worst part, anta dukkhadai, it ends in suffering. After going to heaven, you're going to suffer. And of course, Mahavishnu, there's no leela, there's no pastimes, there's no parikar, no associates. Mahavishnu is always serious, gambhir, doesn't even smile. Mahalakshmi is pressing his lotus feet day and night, doesn't even look at her. So devotees need us. It's better than mukti, but it's still not the best. So we want to attain only Shama Shamras, the divine nectar, love of Shama Sham, Radha Krishna, Golok Ras, of Golok. So we have to give up these. Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gao Roke Roop Dhyan Yukta Atho Yama.
Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gauro ke Roop Dhyan Yukt Atho Yama.
Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gauro ke Roop Dhyan Yukt Atho Yama.
Shama Sham Naam Roop Leela Gun Dhama Gauro ke Roop Dhyan Yukt Atho Yama.
शुक के समान जनी रटु श्याम श्यामा बक के समान ध्यान करु कह बामा.
शुक के समान जनी रटु श्याम श्यामा बक के समान ध्यान करु कह बामा.
शुक के समान जनी रटु श्याम श्यामा बक के समान ध्यान करु कह बामा.
शुक के समान जनी रटु श्याम श्यामा बक के समान ध्यान करु कह बामा.
ओ श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा गाओ रोके रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा.
श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धामा गाओ रोके रूप ध्यान युक्त आठो यामा.
बोल लाडली लाल की जय. शुक के समान. Shuk means parrot, tota. So literally the verse says one should not take the name of Radha Krishna like a parrot. Shuk ke saman. और बक के समान ध्यान करू कह बामा. Buck is a crane. This bird, the crane stands in the water very quietly and keeps looking, meditating, keeps looking very quietly, and then the fish come and it grabs the fish. So we have to take the name of Radha Krishna like the buck, like the crane. I will explain this verse. I will continue to explain this verse tomorrow. बोल लाडली लाल की श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की
जय
जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे।